Hey, it's me, Leah, and you know me, and I love my artificial plants. So I was super excited when I got these agave plants. First of all, let's talk about how cool they're wrapped. Like, these are wrapped really cool. And look at the stem on that. Oh, each leaf. Look at that. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I really would think these were real. That's how beautiful these look. Totally impressive. Like, totally impressive. And they're very, like, substantial. And look at the stalks on them. Even they even give it like the real like looking type stalks, right? I need to go find a place out in my garden to put these because these are very impressive. Here they are. I stuck them in the ground. You could put them in a pot. A great addition to any garden. And they look so real. The way the sun reflects off of them is really impressive. These were gifted to me free for review, and if you're looking for plants that'll last, these are it. And look at that.